The trolley problem is a moral dilemma that raises ethical questions about a hypothetical scenario involving a runaway trolley. It explores the conflict between utilitarianism and deontological ethics, as well as the concept of sacrificing the few for the greater good. The classic trolley problem is a thought experiment in ethics where a moral dilemma is presented. It involves a runaway trolley headed towards 5 people tied to a track, and the protagonist has the option to divert the trolley onto another track where only one person is tied. This scenario poses the question of whether it is morally acceptable to sacrifice one life to save 5, and it sparks debates about utilitarianism, moral dilemmas, and the value of human life. Utilitarianism is a key ethical principle that focuses on maximizing overall happiness and minimizing suffering for the greatest number of people. The principle of utilitarianism, which focuses on maximizing the greatest good for the greatest number, raises the ethical implication of sacrificing one life to save 5 in the trolley problem. However, its limitation lies in justifying the sacrifice of an innocent individual for the greater good. Real-world applications of the trolley problem can be found in fields such as autonomous vehicle programming, medical ethics, and military decision-making. The examination of criticisms and alternative perspectives on the trolley problem reveals ethical complexities and philosophical debates surrounding moral decision-making. The analysis of the role of intention and moral responsibility in the trolley problem delves into the ethical implications of one's intentions and the resulting moral responsibility in a dilemma. It raises questions about the weight of intentions in decision-making and the accountability for consequences. The trolley problem raises important questions about the utilitarian approach to ethical decision-making, as well as the role of individual agency and accountability in moral dilemmas.